Welcome students to the online class of Montbretia School. So children, in this class we will study English grammar, and you know my name, that I am your English teacher, and my name is Miss Manisha. So children, first you take it out your grammar book. Take it out. Okay children, I hope you have taken out your book. Okay, now chapter 7, nouns, singular and plural. So students, in previous class we have studied that what is singular noun and what is plural noun, right? So we have done here the examples, and in this page, that is page number 32, I have told you to go through these examples of singular and plural noun. Okay, there are many such kinds of words, that is new words. Okay, and and uh, uh, and it is very different. Okay, suppose here we have in plural noun we have put use s. Okay, and now see here we have put es, and see here we have also put es. Okay, so like this, for this you need to go through all these examples. Okay, now we will turn the page, okay, to page number 34. Now I've told you that in my next class we will do the next page. So now see what we will do over here. We will just go through these examples, okay, so that you can understand. Now see, if the nouns, you will take it out page number 34. Okay, now see, if the noun ends in a y and the y has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing y into ies. Now see, if a word is there and the word, now the last letter is, now if a word's last letter is y and before y, if it is consonant. Now consonant means, you know students, what is consonant and what is vowel. Consonant means from, that is 21 letters. Okay, that from a b c d, right? You remember? Yes. And vowel means a e i o u. Now before y, if a letter is consonant, okay, so that means we will put here ies. Now see, for example, see baby. Now here y it is given, right? Now what I have told, that y के पहले अगर consonant letter होता है, so that means we will put ies. So here y it is giving. Now see, y it has been given y. Now before y, what is the letter b? Now b is a consonant, right? Yes, b is a consonant. So that means we will put ies. Got it children? Got it? Yes. Now see, army. Now y is there. Now before y, m. Now m is also your consonant. Okay. So now, yes, so now we will put ies. Now children, before that, one homework I am giving you, that you will try to memorize yourself. You will say to yourself only consonant all the letters you will say, and vowel all the letters you will say. Okay, yes, then only you can understand this one. Okay, now see city. City. Now see y, before y t is there. T is also a consonant. Okay, so we have put cities in plural form. Okay, yes. Now see ladies. Ladies is there. See lady. Why ladies? Why we have put here ies? Because before y the consonant is d. Yes. Okay. Now see, these two examples are also same. Okay. Diary, diaries, fly, flies. Now see the next one, but we add s to the singular if the y has a vowel before it. Now a word is given. Suppose here word is boy. Now here the letter word ends with y. Okay, now before y, if vowel is there, then we will only use s in the plural form. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Now see, o is a vowel. Okay, now see the next example. See day. Day is there. Now the last letter is y. Okay, now if see, before y a is there. Now I have told you that what are the letters in vowel a e i o u. So here a is there, so we will put here only days. Okay, you have got it. Now see, nouns ending in F or FE change to VES in the plural form. Now again here see, we will put here VES. Okay, now the word letter means word which is ending with letter FE. Okay, F or FE. Okay, now children, these are few examples, different examples. Now page number 35 also you can see these are the examples. Okay, what you have to do is you have to go through these examples. Okay children, now in my next class we will do the exercise. Okay, now for today your homework will be, first I have given you that consonant and vowel you will try to memorize, मतलब खुद तुम लोग अपने आप बोलोगे. Okay, and the one more homework is you will read page number 34 and 35. Okay, so thank you, have a good day.